On this beautiful rainy Sunday evening, let's see how to make lemon coriander beef soup for Father's Day. I have taken 250 grams of beef bones. I am going to make the soup in a cooker. So heating the cooker and adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Adding 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds and half tablespoon of cumin seeds to it, and 7 to 8 pods of garlic and a handful of small onions, shallot. Saute until the shallot turns light brown. Now let's add spice to it. Adding 1 liter water. One tablespoon of oregano. Some coriander leaves. Now let's add the beef to it. Add salt as required. Now let's close the cooker and cook for 5 to 6 whistles. Once the pressure gets settled, let's open and see how our soup looks. It smells awesome. Now adding dried coriander leaves. Since I do not have enough fresh coriander leaves, I am adding dried ones. If you have fresh ones, please add handful of fresh coriander leaves. Adding half lemon juice and some leftover fresh coriander leaves. Now let's add the corn flour mix. I have added 1.5 tablespoon of corn flour with half cup of water. Now let's keep mixing this until the soup becomes thick. After mixing for around 5 minutes, our soup is now getting thick. Let's switch off the flame. Serve the soup hot. Happy Father's Day! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.